Nature videos for dogs. Does your dog get bored or anxious when you're not home? This 60-second nature escape is made just for them. Immersive forest sounds. Imagine gentle wind, birds singing, and trees rustling. Your dog hears it and instantly tunes in. Calm begins. Wildlife that captures their instincts. Watch a squirrel dash up a tree or a deer nibble leaves. Your dog's tail starts wagging. They're watching, curious and alert. Water that soothes. A flowing stream appears. The sound relaxes nerves. It's not just background noise, it's pet therapy in motion. Real benefits for your pet? Natural sounds reduce stress, boost mood, and keep your dog focused. It's like a mental walk in the woods. No leash needed. Want more tail-wagging visuals and chill pet time? Subscribe for daily calming shorts designed with your dog in mind. A calm dog equals to a happy home.